Hey, vlog world. Hey, how you doing? Hey, you. How you doing? How you doing? I'm fine. How you doing? Hey, are you over there? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Guys, you know, I'm just checking in with you. No, what's me? I got mad. Guys, you know, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Remember, I told you I'll be doing some clips. Now, what I'm gonna say in this clip is, it's good to have.
I wanna go one-on-one with you. You're my number one, yo, Tiger.
Yeah, money I fi make.
Heights of great men reach and cap.
Punky, I go do it. Why you tell me I'm
We're not a... Por favor. Por favor.
Sorry. Seven one names though.
Por favor, please.
You man never say so.
Why man say?
Heights of great men reach and kept. Meanwhile, the companion slept. Mo want hold my goal. Me say hyena, but me not think of that. Hyena, money I feel like. Heights of great men reach and kept. Meanwhile, them companion slept.
Por favor.
No. He said, hurt me goal. Me a hurt me goal.
He man say por favor.
It's a freaking hyena.
Guys, yo, it's good when you have family members like my family. Like whenever I'm sad or down, like me come in here, they make me laugh, like tear right up to pieces and put back together and tear up again. Like they're so awesome, you know. And I'm just grateful and thankful that I have them in my life.
Big up every real family, cause you know say some family out there they not real.
Some family are crosses that get run me and burn up and show and I chop a bargy.
If you're dead and family not in there, you're not dead. That's what mama say.
Mama say family member. What mama say about family member?
If family member no and not in there when you're dead, you're not dead. You're not dead. Yo. Baby. Oh wait.
So guys, you know, it's good when you have good family member and good people around you who feel like, you know, just try and make you happy. Like my sister, she ever tear me up. Like, me don't know how she's so funny. Kin funny in a deep way. Me can't bother with she don't on a different level and thing. Tear up for this stuff.
You're my number one. One-on-one.
With you. No, put what a sign there.
Yo! Mister, man, you mash up people them, yeah.
Guys, I've been glowing from the other day. Like everybody at me say, Melika, oh yeah, girl, what's up?
You could have been your fat. I need a tight.
I'm not tight, man, in a pants body tight.
I'm not tight, mister.
Glow, my baby. New man in your life, and in the show, my baby.
You wish.
Please.
You're my
Please.
only one. I wanna go
You go,
one-on-one with you. You're my... And I want you to love me too. One-on-one. Wanna go one-on-one with you.
One-on-one with me, Stephanie? Really? That sounds gay, yo.
Yeah.
Stephanie, play one song. Let me know. You smart. You really smart.
What you do? Boss me score?
As a matter of fact, you're a genius.
Yo, this is a Jamaican artist. You know, understand? Well, I mean, you don't know if you subscribe
Smoking.
on YouTube. She named Climax. Yo, I grade you alone. If you don't know, no have no cliff. Yeah, raise them high. Feel me knees. Me love the trees. So we just a puff and roll up.
Puff and roll up.
I set a herbs in me and a follow up.
Just a puff and roll up. Puff and roll
Yo, we have
up.
to grab out the cushion up. Yo, we just a
Puff and roll up. Puff and roll up. How you set a grade, Dana?
Yo, we just a puff and roll up. Puff and roll up. Yo, no here no.
Lyrics.
No put no in a me thing. Put no in a me thing. Quickly, I agree. Remember me
Play
feel
next
like
song.
a pigeon.
Play next song. I'm like, hi, bye. Show up. Yeah, so just they are going to the vibes and be things. Yo, how we say next level? How we say increase? How we say success? How we still how in our do them. Yo, hear me song. Pop, pop, pop.
Yo!
I just wanna get high.
What I mess up,
Yo, I just wanna get high. Higher than I ever been before.
Him man not ready yet, Mesa.
Never tour. I grab it, car, block, function.
Anyways, your time.
My time. I just wanna get high. Higher than I ever been before. Me go some places where some artists never tour. I just wanna get high. Like, oh, but I just wanna get high. So tell me more. Don't need no bore. Cigarette cause lung cancer. Black lung cancer. Then a gas balloon. Anyways, next time, Stephanie. I'm in the master room.
I want to run that tune, yeah.
Tell me, yo
guys.
guys.
Out the bad mind.
Run with bad mind.
Where like her?
Run with bad mind, people. Them guys want to comment below on your favorite song right now. I'm baiting to myself. I can build a vibe for them. I'm baiting.
Bay right here.
Bay right here. Bay right here. Guys, yo, I've got alone.
Real youth alone.
Now, guys, I need to check out the song here by Vibes Cartel. Real youth, the video crab it. Yo, the concept's so deep.
I don't think we don't know. Bad mind they everywhere. Bad mind they everywhere.
Right now, look on
there.
there.
Just have to push.
A real tune this. Bad mind. People bad mind if you not at all sometimes. I when you struggle is still a bad mind. I don't know why.
They don't like to people succeed. They don't like to people get successful. You understand?
Run with them people there.
I tell me, none of my son past time now. Put fun and joke aside.
Serious thing. Yo, but that video is sick. Vibes Cartel, really yo. Big up yourself, banda wanna.
No for them I see through like plastic bag.
Pineapple for this. Girl. I'm gonna think. We don't know. Mankind is a werewolf. A real thing this. Me not tell no lie. People change all the time. And I don't know why. Like me promise myself so me not change. Me real. You understand?
God not sleep.
God not sleep. Something named karma. You have to watch out. You have to be good to people and people will be good to you. Yo.
You can't stop the universe. Here no, seriously do. No for them boy ya plastic youth. Sell them flute for your plastic shoes, but the blow away your throat can't get me down.
Now for them I
See through.
yo, I'm not telling a lie, I'm just proud of myself because I'm real with people. And I go hard, punky. You understand?
Tell me a tell.
Mankind is a werewolf. And them change with the full moon. Yo, if God were to treat we how we deserve, no for we're nothing. I'm me to tell you. Oh no, fee. Subscribe. Right, no. Subscribe. Hey. Yo, me can keep a party all by myself alongside Punky. I don't know what to do. Yes, so we are going to build. Today was a productive day. And I did some stuff.
You want to play that song here for all who pass and gone. You understand? No, listen to me. There are some people out there, when people pass, like, they can't manage, they break down, they don't feel like there's no hope. Hope did they, no? Hope did they? Me tell no. Me young but hope did they? Anyway,
a real
it's a song, a real tune. You know, keep your faith. Holy. What God say, holy. Understand?
They go when they die. Nobody knows.
Everybody have to dead. You understand?
Yo, you know, just have it, yo, death is a must. Like, I used to be afraid of dying. And then I realized that you just have to just try and live good. Try and live the best life you can live. And when you live the best life you can live, you will go somewhere of good. Like, alright, so for instance, there is no heaven. And there is no hell. If you live a good life and there is a heaven, you know where you go. You understand? But if you live a bad life, you know it's a hell. You understand? That's why I believe in living a good life.
Cause
Yo.
rain fall when the angels cry on their eyes, and nobody knows
When they die. Yo, I don't know why I just feel proud of myself. You know? Nobody not really understand. I feel proud of myself, man.
Anyways, guess what? Me are done with them too now, cause guess what?
Emotional.
We say more life, and you know, yeah, successful we are saying.
Yo.
We are push.
We have to reach
We
it
are
up.
push.
We have to reach it up. We believe in reaching the top. Because we are big
Yo,
deal.
we are big deal.
Yo, guess why? Because it's very important.
For real. For real.
I'm a big deal. I'm if to tell you.
Yeah, we kind of
Important. For real.
It's like nothing to do with money or fame or vanity.
This one is all about self-worth. True. You need to know your worth in a life. You want a car, you a
Keep
drive
on
car. Black like car. You a star. I'm a big deal. I'm a friend that's a big deal. You're a big deal.
Yeah. Mess up, tell me loud.
I'm a friend that's a big deal.
Cause we kinda important.
For it.
Hold on.
Hold on, what?
Big deal.
Come very important.
Guess who kinda important? Or not just guess. Mesa, guess who kinda important?
Mommy.
Yeah, mommy. Mommy, I'm a dancer.
In my life. You understand?
Everything mommy push with me.
I show me not in life.
And
Mother.
when my father not did it, mommy always did it. If we hungry, mommy even look like he's stressed. You understand?
That's true. I really think. I'm good man.
Me not just say this to pretty
That's true,
talk. Tears all come on my eyes.
Hey, Stephanie.
No, daddy.
No.
Me not tell you no
Guys,
lie.
I'm not gonna lie. Our mother, like, she's a very strong woman. She always talk to you about certain things and you know, if you be the best and she try give you the best out of life. Me can't complain. You
No,
understand?
me we shot at nothing.
A good man, I'm not gonna lie. But she miserable sometimes, but
Why?
that's some other thing.
When they talk about miserable,
Who make more
that's
miserable?
some-
Yeah. But big up yourself, mama, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, tears.
And my goal is to make you proud, buy you a car, yeah, anything you want. I mean, I work towards it.
As a mommy always say, she want we come out better than how she be.
My mother is an
Understand?
entrepreneur.
Yeah.
And
She
done.
done.
She's done a good job in running her business, in growing her business, and that's something we are taking to the next level. Big up yourself for me.
Yeah. And guess what now, now two of we are do business. So what mommy tell we,
Yes.
just encourage you and push
Yes,
you say,
yes.
yeah, one will come better than this. Big up.
Mama,
I tell you.
mama, and big up mama too. You have mama and then you have mommy.
Mama, hey,
mama
big
I
up
realist.
mama the realest.
Mama,
me
I
tell you.
really see. Big up
Push
yourself,
through
mama. Anyway, you're there.
everything.
Although me not stay over here.
Yeah. Big up the whole life family, whole life Ricketts Heavens, whole life Ricketts family. Just big up on yourself. Lord,
Mama,
you know.
sing loud
It's
for
good
your
to
mama.
have good family, you know.
That's true,
What
man.
did they if you know say yeah?
Turn up back
What
at you.
wrong with you? You understand? Anyways, mommy, this a for you. Mama said we call you have the G. Mama, you're my mother. Mommy, you're my grandmother. Oh, mommy miserable.
See me mama. Select mama. Don't wanna feel your mama. Download for your mama. Download for your mama. Hey guys, thank you guys for stopping by MelicaSkylife TV. Please remember to leave a comment. Subscribe. Show the love. Guys, I love you. I respect you. You smart. You're really smart. As a matter of fact,
This is so cute.
you're a genius. Peace. Thank you so much for stopping by MelicaSkylife TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.